So today's first topic is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, or we can say cell membrane. Plasma membrane is a main component, main structure of any cell present in each and every cell in organism. It means ये हर एक organism में present होगा, चाहे वो plant cell हो चाहे वो animal cell हो. It contains a phospholipid bilayer. Bilayer means two. It acts as a selective barrier. It promotes selectively permeability, means it is impermeable to iron, so it needs some transport membranes, transport channels to transport water, oxygen through the plasma membrane. It contains a phospholipid bilayer. Bilayer means two. It arranged like in two layer, which contains of head and tail. Head is hydrophilic, which is in contact with the water. Hydrophilic means water loving, or we can say it is not fear of water. And hydrophobic tail, it means hydrophobic means fear of something. Hydrophobic tail is fear of water, so it is away from the water, and hydrophilic head is in contact with the water and it forms hydrogen bonds with the water. अब हमने देखा कि वो इम्पॉवेबल है आयन से, चैनल आयन से, प्रोटीन से. सो हमें ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोटीन्स की ज़रूरत होगी, which act as a active transport or passive transport. Active transport in which it requires ATP, and passive transport it does not require ATP at all. So we can say transport proteins help in the transport of substances across the plasma membrane. Next come across the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a flash structure present in the structure of the cell membrane. So it is found to be attached to the lipids or proteins on extracellular side of the membrane, which leads to the formation of glycolipids and glycoproteins. Next come across the cholesterol. Cholesterol is a folded structure present in between the tails of the phospholipid membranes, like this. It is present in the tails of the structure of the plasma membrane. It is responsible for the fluidity of the membrane. So next come across, we can say this diagram. It means we can see here, these are the structure present in the structure of the cell membrane. Glycolipid, carbohydrate chains we have read, globular proteins and integral proteins and peripheral proteins. It is of two types of proteins in fluid mosaic model. Integral proteins, it is found outside the cell membrane, and peripheral integral proteins is embedded in the structure of the plasma membrane, and peripheral proteins is outside the plasma membrane. Next is cholesterol, protein channels or transport proteins, which helps with the transport of the proteins. Hydrophobic tail we have seen. Phospholipid bilayer, it is arranged in two bilayers. Polar head and non-polar tail. Polar means hydrophilic, we can say. Non-polar means hydrophobic tail. Phospholipid, it is the structure of the membrane. So this is all about plasma membrane. One more thing, fluid mosaic model is given by Nicholson and Singer in 1972, and it is mainly composed of proteins, lipids, and lipids in small amount, but proteins it depends on the number of type of cell. So this is all about plasma membrane. In next topic we will talk about more organelle of the cell. Thank you.